Alrighty, mateys. I've had a blast here at the Stock Anime. Missed the photo shoot that we had the first. You know how bloody hell that happened. uh, but I did have some good times. All of you, Ali, who came to the convention, you're all wonderful. Wonderful. Yes, right. So Ghosts and Dragons, Pathfinder. I actually did play Pathfinder yet. Starfinder. It's the playtest. Just check it out. Didn't actually play the video games yet. Not yet anyway. There's a view of the capital here. State capital. Did not get to the house of an hotel panel. I was supposed to try. I wouldn't go out do any video anyway. It wasn't allowed. Got loads of pictures. Alright. I'll show you off my room here. There's a view of the capital here. It's under construction, reconstruction, or what do you call it? Refurbishment, whatever. Very nice view here. Can't complain. Got myself the king. Got myself the king room here. King bed here. Instead of the usual blubber. Right, some lovely paintings. Big telly. I believe it's 1080p, not 4K. There's still a HDMI cable in there somewhere. But as I put it, the video is pretty popular about the props. There's this thing up here. This actually lights up on its own here. It has a switch all of its own. So it'd be great for like a night light. Looks pretty nice. Right. And here's your loo. There's trying to do this myself. Yep, right. I've got a tub actually. An actual tub. Right, there's the sink. Trying to do this. Right, so an actual tub with the shower and all that. Pretty good. Got a convention discount. Right, okay, that's all good. Oh yes, and I got myself that nice little table here. Coffee maker. Oh yes, and fridge. Got me a bunch of snacks and soda pops there. Including my Red Bull that I got with my VIP swag. And a bunch of stuff I gotta pack away. Right, two lamps, some charging ports here. Yep. Okay, everyone, that's all that. So, planning to play some more games today. What games? Okay, please watch more videos, better ones than this, I should think. So the height, it's real close to the convention center. With the Sheraton, you get discounts. You get your free VIP if you stay here. Or the Sheraton, or there's a couple other affiliates if you go through the link. Next time, remember that. Okay, like, subscribe, stay Foxy.